Hey, Sylvia Browder here. Want to be the first to know about new videos? Hit the subscribe button to my new YouTube channel, Be a Claims Adjuster. If you are thinking about becoming an independent claims adjuster, or if you are a new adjuster, Be a Claims Adjuster YouTube channel is for you. Let's get started. Let's talk about an important topic. That's hurricane season. The 2023 Atlantic hurricane season is fast approaching, June 1st to be exact. Forecasters predict 11 to 15 named storms this season, with 6 to 8 reaching hurricane strength and 2 to 3 becoming major hurricanes. The beginning of hurricane season, as I stated, is June 1st, but the months of August, September, and October have significantly more hurricane activity than other months. So my question to you is, are you ready for 2023 hurricane season? I sure hope so. Here's 6 important points to think about. Number 1, increased hurricane activity. Hurricane activity has increased in recent years, both in terms of frequency and intensity. New claims adjusters must be ready to handle a busy hurricane season and the inflow of claims that follows. So my question to you, are you ready? Number 2, damage mitigation. Claims adjusters are essential in deciding how much insurance policyholders should be compensated for hurricane-related losses and damages. They can quickly respond to claims, reduce future damage, and hasten the recovery process for impacted people and companies by being ready and prepared. Again, are you ready to take on this important role as a claims adjuster? Number 3, timely response. Due to the substantial damage and dislocation that hurricanes may inflict, individuals frequently require help. New claims adjusters need to be ready to manage a large volume of claims and respond to policyholders in a timely manner so that their requirements are met right away in the wake of a catastrophe. Are you ready? Number 4, understanding policy coverage. Each insurance policy has a unique conditions, restrictions, and coverage limits. To effectively analyze the damage and establish coverage eligibility for the impacted parties, new claims adjusters need to get familiar with these policies. This information will enable them to provide settlements that are accurate and fair. Generally, a homeowner's insurance policy includes at least 6 different coverage parts. The names of the parts may vary by insurance company, but they typically are referred to as dwelling, other structures, personal property, loss of use, personal liability, and medical payment coverages. In addition to that, you will need to be proficient in knowing what the 16 named perils in a home insurance policy is. A named peril only provides coverage on losses incurred to a property from hazards or events named on the policy. So, My suggestion to you is if you haven't, then you need to get started in learning policy. Number 5, managing difficult emotions. Listen, policyholders may experience severe losses as a result of hurricanes, which can be very upsetting. I've seen it. New claims adjusters should be prepared to handle delicate circumstances with professionalism and empathy, providing policyholders with assistance and direction throughout the claims process. Now, look, there's going to be times when there's a denial of coverage. So, for instance, I recently had an insured where her home flooded. Well, normally it sounds like it would be covered, right? Unfortunately, the water came from under the door. So it came under the door. So that is considered surface water. In addition, she said that there was water coming from the toilets. So normally that sounds like it would be covered, right? No, she has to have an endorsement on her policy for backup sewer. So unfortunately, that was a denial, and you can imagine how this insured felt. She was very angry. So these situations are very delicate. We're talking thousands and thousands of dollars. People are losing their property. We have to have a sense of empathy. And number 6, collaborations with other industry professionals. To assess damages and decide acceptable settlements during the hurricane season, claims adjusters frequently engage in partnerships with a variety of professionals, including engineers, agents, contractors, customer support, attorneys, and public adjusters. New adjusters will need to build strong working relationships with these people and guarantee a coordinated effort to handle claims effectively by being prepared for hurricane season. So, my question to my new adjusters, how are you feeling? Do you feel like you are prepared? Please share how you feel below.